You know what? First of all, it doesn't matter because I'm going to cut it up and you won't see it because of French toast.
So you're worried about looks. I'm not worried about that. Neither was Chantal. That's why she married me.
Oh, you got a heart of gold, don't you, darling? Welcome to Car to Table, episode 17, part 2. I'm David Rodriguez, your host, and this is Jason Kierce from the Adamah neighborhood table. We're here at Todd and Chantel's house, and we're gonna go slay some brunch. Let's do it.
Hi.
Hello, I'm David.
David, Todd, nice to meet you.
Chantal, nice to meet you.
Absolutely.
Jason.
Jason, nice to
Hi,
meet
Jason,
you.
Nice to meet
Chantal,
you.
nice to meet you.
Can we come in?
Yeah, sure, of
Excellent,
course.
excellent. Todd, Chantel, thank you so much for inviting us into your home. I know Jason's excited to get cooking. Before we do that, I have a couple of gifts here for you. This is from Metcalfe's. This is from the Square Wine Company.
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
Should I bring my gifts as well? Or
You know what? Yeah, let's
Can
do
I
that.
steal your thunder a little bit?
Steal my thunder.
All right. So, I don't know if you knew that we're a kosher organization. So we got you both a UW shirt, and that says Wisconsin in Hebrew.
That's cool.
Awesome.
And then this is a special wine. This is called Rashi. We serve this every Friday night for Shabbat dinners. Very sweet, so we'll use it as a dessert wine.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Awesome, awesome. So we're doing brunch. Looks like we got some cage-free local eggs. We got some Willow Creek bacon. But actually, what's funny, well, we're going to have a fun little taste test because I brought for my ingredient beef fry. And I think we can go toe-to-toe with Dan Fox's Willow Creek, but we're going to see.
Yeah.
All right. What else do we got here? Got some trout. That might be fun for the bruschetta.
Well, that'd be good.
Yeah. Got some plums. I see you got this fancy stove over here, so we're going to probably grill those. Have some organic parsley. You can't have breakfast without orange juice, and I hope you're thirsty because he really got you taken care of. We're going to be drinking. Vine on tomatoes. The Maple Dude Pure Maple Cream. And then I've seen some of these episodes, and some folks don't have the kitchen that you have, so I was a little worried that you wouldn't have some yeast and some baking powder, so I just want to have a safeguard because I want to make you guys holla.
Yeah.
But I almost guarantee you to have everything. All right. I have a kosher kitchen, so it's basically like 3 kitchens in one that I'm not allowed to touch ingredients, so this seems so naughty to one to have bacon and kosher bacon, pork bacon, and cheese touching. Like, it just feels so wrong to me. One, we're going to do definitely a taste test of bacon versus bacon. Definitely going to do some type of eggs. I like your idea of the bruschetta. I do a lot of bruschetta over at Adamah. So I think we'll do a first course. But I think what I first want to do is challah take some time, and there's a lot of other stuff we can do while it's just sitting there. So let's go ahead and start the process.
Well, you're working on that. Do you have anything that you know you need prepped?
Good question. I know.
What are you thinking on the potatoes?
Are you guys really healthy, or do you like just a good comforting meal?
Like, let's go comfort.
I'd like to make latkes, so let's shave them.
Shave them.
At home, I'm doing my own thing, but every once in a while, I'll have, I don't know if it's PTSD or what, like I'll open the fridge, and I'll see meat and dairy together, and I'll be like, Ann, what is this? And then I'll be like, wait a minute, I'm not in my kitchen anymore, so sorry, dear, go back to doing what you're doing, so.
So what's all in that?
So this is the yeast that we activated. There's 2 cups of water. There is 1 egg. There's a half a cup of sugar, a little bit of salt, and now I'm about to put 6 cups of flour in here, and then we'll start kneading. And we'll let it proof one more time. Then we have to braid it, let it proof again, but it's going to be faster. And then we're going to have, do you guys have challah?
I've
I
never,
think
no.
I have. I think I have.
Your house is going to smell awesome. You're going to love it. So you know what's cool about this? So I can appreciate a dream kitchen. So most of the time when people have this one, it doesn't work. It's always hanging off. But not this one. This comes right back. Sure. I think that we're going to be doing the grilled plum with that awesome brie that you found and this fancy balsamic. We're going to reduce that down, make a really nice sweet and kind of savory bruschetta, and then we're going to do a trout salad bruschetta. 3 yolks. I got a little bit of lemon juice in there. I need a little bit of some type of acid. I'll just do some rice vinegar. What we're trying to do here is what's called an emulsion. So emulsion is one of the mother sauces, and the reason why I like using mustard is because it's a cheat. I'm cheating. Vinegar and oil, they don't like each other, right?
Sure.
So what mustard does, it says, hey, I don't care if you don't like each other. You're coming to play, and you're coming to play, and we're going to play together. And then it helps you play.
It's the connecting piece between the fat and the water molecules.
So what's in with the trout?
I put some parsley, some chive, and some of your green onion. Well, also, I feel awkward. This isn't my house.
Hey, go after it. You're kind of meat casa, soup casa.
No, don't say that. I'll just put my boxers on and just walk around.
You're not wearing boxers?
All right, so next step, punch. Boom.
Oh.
All right. First one is over. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, that one looks way better. All right, first course. We have some time to kill. We just put the challah in the oven. So we got a Madison sourdough bruschetta that David did a wonderful job of grilling up. We have some brie that you had in the house, which was awesome. Haven't had brie in forever. And then David grilled up some grilled plums, and then we did a balsamic reduction on top. Then our other bruschetta is on Madison sourdough again with Sarvecchio's Montemor, which is awesome cheese. It's pretty neutral, not too salty, and it actually works out well because that trout is really salty. I actually wish I wouldn't have put any salt in the mayonnaise. You'll see what I'm talking about. Hopefully the bread and the cheese takes down from the salt and it's a perfect bite. And then we just have a little bit of organic chive on top. Do you guys know what chantilly cream is?
No.
It's a fancy way of saying whipped cream.
Whipped cream is one of those things, like, it's so much better fresh, and it's easy to make, so.
Well, this is tough. So one is a local favorite, Willow Creek, Dan Fox, and the other is a lonesome kosher beef bacon. But I like it, so I kind of want to see how it does against the big guy.
Initially, I think I'm gonna like the pork bacon because I'm more familiar with it.
So what do you think?
Oh, I'm gonna go first
I want
because I
you-
don't
yeah.
want him to think that
Yeah.
I'm skewed. So, sorry, Dan Fox, but I like the beef better.
The
What?
beef!
I never expected that.
I like the beef better.
What?
Yeah, I do.
An unexpected
An
twist.
unexpected one for the kosher.
I'll eat more of the fox bacon.
Well, it's a tie. We have a tie.
Tie.
One for Fox, one for not Fox.
Well, I hope the anticipation is worth it. So what we have here, we have the challah French toast. We have the maple dude cream on the bottom. Then we have a chantilly cream on top. You have bacon three ways. You got your trout bacon, you got your beef bacon, and then you got your Dan Fox Willow Creek bacon. Hopefully, I still got my breakfast cookery skills. You got your over medium egg, over easy over there with a lovely Jewish latke with a homemade applesauce.
Yeah.
Breakfast of champions.
Jason, nice work, man.
Boom!
Oh, I missed the boom. Todd, Chantel, thank you so much for letting us cook in your kitchen. Cheers.
Thank you guys.
Thanks.
Cheers.
I already drank the mimosa, sorry.
Thanks, Jason.
Thank you, sir.
Good work. I want to thank Minnie of Madison. I want to thank Metcalf's. I want to thank the Square Wine Company and Dream Kitchens. I also want to thank you for watching. And if you're interested in hosting, go to isthmus.com/card-a-table. And we'll see you next time.